much for participating in the Father's Day feast. It was really fun to watch you guys in the kitchen.
Sure.
And just, I'm sure you've seen what Hoopsters is. We are a children's, parents, and educators website, which is all geared towards creating this community called League of Action Heroes. People like you who actually take action and do interesting things. Right?
Okay.
So before we go into the actual interview, I would like you to introduce yourselves.
Sure. So I am Alok Gupta. So currently we are staying in Bangalore since year 2008. I am a software professional, and with me here my wife is there. Previously she used to teach, and right now she is a homemaker. And we have two daughters. One is Palak Gupta and Ishita. So that's about myself. Ishita. Yeah. It is your name. You tell your name.
I like to do dance. I'm Ishita. I like to do dance, playing football, playing with my sister, and drawing, and doing art and craft.
Ishita, which school are you in?
Royal Concord.
Which class are you in right now?
First 1B.
First 1B. Okay. So did you have fun doing this cooking contest with your dad?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Alok, tell us a little bit about the dish that you chose and why you chose it, and take us through that process.
Sure. So that dish actually that came from my wife's mind. The mind was her mind behind it. So it's the dry fruit lollipop that she has suggested, and actually it was something like in the competition, whatever the instructions were mentioned, that it should be without oil, without some junk foods and all those stuff. So she used to prepare this thing earlier also. So she has suggested me to prepare this, and that's why we have chosen this. So this is like when we give the dry fruits to daughters and kids, they don't take it immediately, but this lollipop they used to take on daily basis. So that's why we chosen this. So Nupur, are we audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ishita, did you taste what you made? Did you like what you made?
Yes.
Yes, you liked it? All right. So tell us, whose idea was it to get into this competition? How did you get to know about the Father's Day Feast contest?
Okay. So this one actually from school, we got a mail that this competition is there. So initially, actually, I thought that it is some school activity where we have to participate. So we have participated, understanding it's the school competition. And after preparing the video, when I went through completely through the mail, how to upload the video and how to share the things, then I came to know, okay, it is not the school, it's the Hoopsters competition. Then I uploaded video to the Hoopsters website.
Okay.
So it is the invite from the school. They have shared the email with us. Yeah.
So the moment you saw the invite or the mail that told you there is a competition happening,
Right.
what was your first reaction? Yes, let's do it, or like, oh God, one more competition? What was your first reaction?
No, it was not like that, because actually, to be honest, I started cooking in this lockdown. This was one thing which I learned. So from last 2 years, I started cooking and I am enjoying it. So if you see, if I can tell, every week I try to cook at least on the Saturday or Sunday. At least once in a week I try to cook. So I started enjoying it. So it was a good competition. So it never came to my mind that it is again one competition or it's a burden. As soon as we read it, okay, we have to participate. This came to my mind. And even the Ishita's my mind and my wife's mind, the same thing.
So Ishita and Palak, what is the best thing your dad cooks? Now that you have started cooking, what is your favorite dish that he makes? Puri and what?
You can
Paneer and chole and dry fruit lollipop.
And chapati.
Okay. So you like chapatis? Huh?
Yeah, answer.
You like chapatis, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So take us to the experience. You know, like I don't know if you have done this before, where you actually took a video of you guys cooking. Have you done this before? And if not, what were some fun things that you learned while making your own cookery show or a cooking video?
No, so this is the first time I have done. So actually, my elder daughter used to prepare her dance videos. So she is good in preparing the videos. So she guided us how to prepare the video. So I was just cooking. She's the cutting, doing the editing of the video. Like it was supposed to be only 5 minutes, and this complete cooking time, I feel it would be somewhere around 30 minutes of time it has taken for me, at least. So making that to the 5 minutes video, so complete the cutting and editing, she has done. So it was good experience. Yeah.
So Palak, was it easy to shoot the video, or were you constantly telling them, you know, don't do this, don't do that, stand properly, look here? How was it? How did you enjoy shooting your dad and Ishita?
Yeah, so I made the video and I enjoyed making, but sometimes in between Ishita was not listening, so I had to tell her what to do, but then I enjoyed making the video.
Right. Were there any funny instances that you had, like bloopers, that you can share with us?
Yeah, so while Ishita was not able to make the proper the laddu or the ball, so then after that we had to pause the video and then we had to teach her how to make it, and then we had to start the video again, and then in between the video she started laughing, so then we again had to stop the video and then start. So yes.
Why did you start laughing, Ishita? Huh?
I kept laughing. When I see my sister, so I start laughing.
When you see your sister, you start laughing?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
I don't know. Whenever she makes my video, sometimes when I
What you're doing?
Okay. Yeah.
Mr. Alok, tell us a little bit about the work that you do. How is it during the pandemic? Are you busier than you were before? How is everything right now?
Work from the professional front, you are asking?
Yes. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, so from the professional front, it became a little more hectic. It's like work from home. So from morning, as soon as I woke up, get ready, help the kids in getting ready for the school, and then I start working. So it takes its duration also increased. So on the, if we say on the weekdays, usually I don't get much time. It complete goes in the working only. But on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I try to take out as much as time possible for the family. Or you can say it is Saturday, Sunday is completely with the family, because no going out, nowhere. It's a in home only. So we try to do whatever is possible with the family. So mostly, at least once, I already told, once I cook the food, that is one thing. Apart from that, playing with the kids, and I try to teach badminton. Actually, right now we have stopped going out in the apartment, but previously in the morning time, on the weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, I used to go with my daughters and teach them how to play badminton.
Oh, do you play badminton as in?
Yeah. So before lockdown, I used to play badminton on a regular basis. At least on the weekends, I used to go to club and play the badminton. And after lockdown, that badminton is stopped, but I am teaching my daughters how to play badminton. So Ishita is enjoying a lot badminton.
Ishita, you like playing badminton more or football more?
Yes.
What do you like?
Badminton or football?
Football.
You like football more? Why do you like football, Ishita?
And drawing.
Huh?
Drawing.
And drawing. No, tell me, why do you like football so much?
Because I like to run, that's why I like to play football.
That's why you like to run, so you like to play football. So, do you think that this was a Of course, it was a competition where you became one of our top 3 contestants, which is wonderful. But do you think that this was also a great bonding time for you guys as a family?
Definitely. It helped. Like, so say shooting a video itself is a big thing, because usually when you are at home, even you are sitting together or playing something or watching television, you are not doing this. But this time, like, my wife was standing, okay, do it in this way. Elder daughter Palak, who is taking the video, she's guiding, okay, Shita, do this, do that. So definitely it is there. Bonding is there. Yeah.
Ishita, did you have fun cooking with your dad?
Yes.
What was the best thing about making those dry fruit laddus with your dad?
Circle.
So,
Ball.
Acha. So did you learn how to make it properly?
Yes.
Yeah. So tell us, how do you make those laddus properly? Show us how you make it.
Ghee I take on hand and I take I take mixture, then I make circle balls
Okay.
like this.
Like that you made. And also, sir, because of the pandemic now, there's a lot of the number of options that we have to spend time with our family, like you said,
Right.
is very limited.
Correct.
So tell us what all you do to still keep that interest and take time out and do some bonding activities with your family. What are the kind of activities that you guys do together?
So one thing is watching television is increased a little bit more with the family, sitting together and watching television. And apart from that, one thing which we try to do, it's I won't say it's on the every week, but regularly once in a month, you can say. So it's like me, my other family members, means her grandparents or the uncle and the cousins. So what we try at least to do a Zoom meeting and connect with them and play some games. Maybe you can say like a Tambola or Housey. So half an hour or 1 hour, it goes like this. So 4 or 5 families connect through the Zoom video, and we try to play that. Yeah. And sorry, you tell.
Sometimes we do party in night.
Sorry, I can't. Say it again, Ishita.
Sometimes we do party in night.
You have a party at night. What do you do in your parties?
Dance.
Acha, you guys dance and
Eating junk food.
and eat what?
Junk food.
And eat junk food. Acha. Ruchika, are you watching?
Yeah, so for her, the junk food means whenever she does the party, so she wants chips. If I'm doing the party, I want chips. That's the thing. So, but yeah, it's a once in a while kind of thing.
Okay. Good, yeah, good fun. So you like dancing, is it, Ishita? You told me 3 times dance now.
Yes. That's why I like to do dance.
So do you learn from your sister? I heard she makes videos and all of that, dancing videos. Palak, do you do dancing like seriously?
My sister teach me dance like girls like the swing.
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel also, so we make dance videos for that.
Okay, so does she come in one of some of your videos once in a
Yeah,
while?
she is there in 2 of the videos.
Oh, very nice. So they already have found their bonding activity.
Yeah.
What's your channel called, Palak?
Twist and Tunes.
And what kind of dance do you do?
I do many type of dance like freestyle, hip hop, ballet, jazz. I'm currently learning all these dances.
Oh, lovely.
Palak Nupur herself is a dancer. She
Yeah.
specializes in salsa.
Sorry, who specializes?
Nupur, who's interviewing you, she's
Okay.
a professional dancer.
Oh, great.
So if you want to learn anything, then learn from her.
Sure.
Yes,
So
you
can we connect after this? Means maybe on a call or something? Do you take the online classes as well?
Not right now, but we do one-on-one classes. So if you're interested in learning any Latin style like salsa or bachata, you can give me a call and we can do one-on-one classes.
Sure.
For sure. Okay, you can Instagram. You must be knowing Instagram. Nupur Gandhikar. You can find me on Instagram. And
Okay. Definitely.
okay, so continuing the interview, sir, why do you think you need to take out this kind of time, to bond with your family, to take that effort to create these moments with them?
Okay. So the one important thing is that now at least in this pandemic, I have found your time is getting too much on the work. Things became little more hectic because you are not getting much help from the out. Like previously, it is like you are feeling hungry. If you are busy at home, you can order the food. So now those things are getting a little difficult, and you are not getting much time with the family going out, or say going to some mall, or going to the multiplex for watching movie, or going out stations for say couple of days or week. Those kind of activities are reduced now. So at least some time or some activity is required to stay in touch with the family members. So apart from staying, definitely staying in the home, but which can bring keep the interest.
Right.
That's the thing. Yeah.
And how do you see parenting change over the years? Like how compared to how your parents were to how you are with your children? What are some changes that you see?
Okay. So now what I see, it's mostly my wife. She takes many initiatives for the kids. Means it's like here, if you see in my home, at least all the decisions, most of the decisions she used to take. Like say dancing, she's very Palak and Ishita both are too much interested in the dancing or whatever the activities. So those kind of things, it is not only the study. Apart from the study, other activities also. Like Palak goes for the badminton classes. Ishita started the football classes, but because of the pandemic, she stopped. She really is like playing the football. So we started her football classes, and then it is stopped. So it's like the one thing which I observed the difference. Initially, it was the study, but now apart from the studies, other activities are also there. Whether it's dance, arts and craft, or drawing, football, badminton.
Taekwondo.
Sorry?
Taekwondo. Taekwondo.
You do taekwondo? Wow, what belt? What belt do you have?
White.
White. I have an orange
That
belt.
my sister is yellow.
Yellow. Ishita, I have an orange belt in taekwondo. That's all I learned.
Oh, good.
Good.
Orange. Thank you. Orange belt is before yellow or after yellow?
After yellow is green.
Then is what?
Blue.
Then when do you get black belt?
In the last.
In the last. So are you going to learn till you get a black belt?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but still I don't know properly.
Sorry.
Still I don't know properly.
Okay. When did you start learning taekwondo?
In February.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. I'd like to move over to Mr. Bala and ask him if he has any questions that he wants to ask at this point.
Sure.
Yeah, and it's fun listening to you guys talk. But how come Palak and you did not do a dish together?
Okay, yeah. So we were supposed to do, but on that day we were able to make only one dish. So at that time, the dish Palak was shooting the video, and me and Ishita were preparing the dish. And she was having some other competition. Like I believe it's a drawing, or it's a drawing competition. So she was preparing for that. So we didn't do the two preparation. So only one preparation, which Palak has done the shooting.
It's actually very difficult to get in touch with you. Our emails are not going to you. That was
might be actually no, mail might be coming. So it's from one different mail ID which I use generally for the school thing, school activities and some other stuff. So that mails I am not checking regularly. So might be mails are there. Might be I have missed out.
Please
It
share
could
a
be
mail
possible.
which we can connect with you regularly, because we are doing a lot of programs and we have got something very exciting coming in the next
Sure.
couple of weeks.
Okay.
So please share with us your WhatsApp to us, the
Sure.
mail ID which you can regularly use. But apart from that, what do you think is missing out in terms of the co-curriculum in schools nowadays? Do you think something is missing out, or do you think it's not?
In the co-curricular activities from the school front. So I will leave the online schooling right now. In the normal case, when the kids go to school, so I find the sports activities are little less in the school. Because I studied in the KB, Kendriya Vidyalaya. So there we are having at least in my school, 3 very big grounds are there, like the one for the football ground and cricket pitch. It's like, it's not the small place, it's the huge complete, you can understand, it's like a huge cricket ground or a huge football ground. So that kind of grounds are not available even in the big schools here. But at least I know in the nearby area, where I stay, the nearby areas, even if the school is a very big school, they are lacking this particular things for the sports. So that I definitely mind.
Okay, I know there's a lot more needs to be done. We are coming up with a lot of programs on Hoopsters, which we'll keep you informed with. And
Sure.
since your daughters are also into art and stuff like that, please go through our website.
Sure.
You can upload your all your drawings and stuff. We have a lot of contests coming on those things: arts, craft, storytelling.
Excuse me, can I show drawing?
Yes, you can show drawing. Go to the website. There is something called Talent Hunt.
Hi, family.
Oh, nice. Put it up on our website, okay? Because
Sure.
I only drew.
good girl. You must put it up on the website. And please do that, because I think it's for the first time ever, there's a platform that is, that is in existence to promote children's work.
Sure.
So have a look
Will
at
do.
it. And do keep in touch with us in terms of, what you are doing and, stuff.
Sure.
And please enter our contest, both your daughters, and spread the word around.
Definitely.
And no, it's actually a pleasure to have parents like you, because what we are trying to do here is get to do this kind of programs so other parents get inspired. The problem is today parents don't spend enough time with the children, and they find some excuse or other. The idea is, how do you bond? How do you make them bond? How do you make them enjoy these small little things?
Okay.
And that's the whole concept. It's more than the contest. It's about, getting children and parents to bond. Contest
Sure.
is an excuse.
Fine.
That's not our focus area at all.
Okay.
So, okay, Ishita, I want to ask you one question. How much did you enjoy cooking with your dad?
So much.
How much?
Lot.
Okay.
That much. Okay, what was the best part?
बताओ सबसे अच्छा किसमें लगा?
Making balls.
वही क्या, और कुछ नहीं लगा?
I am putting dry fruits in pan. That I like.
See, this is what I want. See, the kind of enjoyment she's having and kind of experience she had, it's something they'll never forget. And it's great fun. So that's what we are trying to encourage. If you have any ideas that you want us to come up with,
Right.
or you want us to do, please feel free.
Sure.
So
Definitely.
do keep in touch. And-
So I'm supposed to connect with the Ruchika also, right?
Yes, please connect with Ruchika. She's got some freebies for you. I've sent you the phone numbers and
Hello.
addresses.
So I think
Okay, did you get me?
sure.
Please connect with. Ruchika is here. Ruchika, the stage is all yours.
Yeah.
Ruchika? Hello? We can't see you or hear you. Hello?
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes. Ruchika,
Yeah.
why did you
Hi.
choose?
Congratulations to.
Ruchika, why did you
Yes,
choose
Palak,
Alok
go
and Ishita for the runners-up prize?
The recipe was very nice, innovative,
We are losing you. We are losing
interesting, nutritious. As he said, they had studied the rules. Their video was less within the 5-minute span. And the way the combination worked of the father and daughter teamwork was fantastic. So at a point, he'd got a chair in the kitchen and Ishita was standing on the chair and adding the dry fruits there. So even though she's short and she would not reach the stove. So it's like a teamwork and getting the kids involved. The recipe was nice and interesting. So they made it in the form of lollipops just to make sure the kids eat. And as Mr. Alok just mentioned, that the kids would not eat the dry fruits otherwise, but within the form of lollipops, they would.
Right.
So Ishita, next time when you have your parties, look at alternative ways for having your junk also, like how you are eating good, healthy lollipops. The same way, look at really nice, yummy, healthy food, which is not junk. See, the two were not in sync with each other. Food is something that nourishes you, gives you energy. Junk doesn't give energy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so next time we want to see you with your party food, which you make nice. You de-junk it, you make it healthy. And you should teach your cousins, your family also.
Today my
We're
mother
not
made
going to
dal dokni.
Okay, lovely. Very nice.
Today we ate dragon fruit.
Okay,
Today
since
we
you
made dragon fruit.
are discussing your mom, could we have your mom on camera, please? I'm sure she deserves,
Yeah,
equal
definitely.
recognition.
Sure.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Hello.
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 So you are Madhuri, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah,
going by
yeah.
your email ID.
Yeah, this is my ID only.
Okay. Yes, Ruchika, I have any questions about why she thought of this and blah blah?
Yes, Madhuri. So could you share with us some more tips for all the viewers as well? What you follow, which are more alternatives to feed the children more healthier foods? If we would love to hear from you.
Yeah, actually, I'm always trying to feed the healthy and delicious food. It's healthy and plus delicious also, and it more be attractive. So this is the point of the kids. They will eat easily. If it is not attractive, then they will refuse. I don't want like that. Suppose like this lollipop only. So I know the all the seeds and everything are good for nutrition. Everything is good for the kids and as well as for us also. But if I am just roasted simply and putting the salt and pepper and I give it to them, so they will not easily, they will not eat. So this come in my mind. So actually there's like I'm putting the pig also. So pig, she doesn't like pig at all. So first I just soak the pig and I giving to like that only. She is not, I don't want mama, I don't want this that. Then suddenly it's come in my mind, okay, I'll just mix it with the dates. So it's not like if no sugar is also involved. It's only natural sugar is there.
Absolutely.
So sometimes it's like one day what happened, I'm making this only, but it's like it's not in consistency is not come proper. So suddenly it's come in my idea. I roasted the oats, the plain oats. I roasted and grind it, and suddenly I mix it in this laddu only, lollipop only. So it's
Right.
oats combination also. I gave it. Then it looks nice also, and eat by wise everyone eats very frequently. Like they will morning they wants, I want this laddu only mama. So sometime I put it in like in the color paper also, so it's look like a chocolate also. So this is like something I want to do with my kids. Like I'm making the roll also. So roll I'm using only the wheat. I'm not using wheat or millets. Like I'm using this only and putting inside a lot of like palak and mushroom and all those things, and little mayonnaise I'm putting, and after that its taste is great, so they will eat easily. So always I'm
Another
trying
way to add more vegetables to their diet,
vegetable,
right?
and like dalia also I'm making, so lot of vegetable and I put it in the dalia, so it will easily they will eat. So
That is so nice to hear that you are including a lot of greens and the local and vegetables for the children. A lot of parents do not make that effort and they just assume, oh, my kid doesn't like it, it's okay. He's just having a plain paratha with some ketchup and, you know, a lot of children then have nutritional deficiencies, which is so nice to hear that more in the door.
yeah, today's
but
one incident
including more.
happened in morning. Yesterday I went and I just bought the dragon fruit. First time I bought it this.
Right.
I don't know, everyone just buying, so I'm getting interest. Okay, one I will also buy. Let me take what is the taste is there. So morning I cut it, then we 4 of taste it, but it tastes like a little bitter and we don't like the taste. So then what should I do? Something I can't throw it like that. So something is come in my mind, so I cut it and grind it in mixer, and I put it some milk made and dry dates powder. So I put it in this one and I make the laddu shape. So it's now its taste is great. Everyone just had this one. So it's nice. It was nice experience for this morning.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing with us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sujika, for actually going through all those videos. I'm sure it must have been tough, you know. Yeah, I think you made some good choices of selecting the first 3.
Yes, it was quite tough. Every video, people had put in so much of effort. Best efforts. Wonderful.
Thanks, Sujika.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Alok, and Nishita, and Madhuri, and Palak. Anything else you want to say?
I want to say just you have to just give this type of program. So
Sure, ma'am. Yes, yes.
yeah, so we also enjoy, like kids are because in the lockdown they are sitting at home, so they also want to some recreation. Like they are not going to out, they are not meeting to friends. Like suppose drawing competition, dance competition, like that. So they will also prepare for that. So this thing is come in your mind and they will also feel happy.
Absolutely. And also I request you to tell your management, which is very supportive, your RCIS principal, and all the branches, they're very supportive of Hoopsters and they're encouraging what we are doing. That's how you're receiving the mails from them about what we do. So please do participate, and also send in a couple of good words to them, so they'll also promote the whole thing more. So that's very encouraging, and you will hear more from us as things go by. Go through our website, check out what we do, and get involved, and please spread the word around. That's important. Sure. And we shall see each other soon, very, very soon. We are coming up with something very exciting. And so thank you very much for being part of this. Definitely. Like I told you, it's parents like you who motivate other parents, and that is very crucial for us. And so please spread the word around, get your family members, other family members to participate. Sure. Because our contests are open, they're not school bound, they're open. Definitely. Thank you very much. Have a lovely weekend and take care. Okay. Okay. God bless. You too. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bless you.